Maybe it's for their color explosion. Maybe because they are a good omen for the new year. Or maybe it's because they are sweet and a bit crunchy. The Naples Struffoli are my passion. At the GialloZafferano, I was asked to prepare them. Here's the recipe. In order to prepare the dough for struffoli, I'll need oranges, anise liqueur, salt, sugar, flour, eggs, melted butter, frying oil. I'll start pouring the flour in this bowl. Then sugar, a pinch of salt, and I'll grate some orange peel. Lemon peel can substitute it or being added to. Then eggs. I'll put 3 whole eggs, and then 1 egg yolk. I'll keep the albumin inside. I'll add another egg, parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and I'll make a nice omelette for lunch. Melted butter that has cooled down in the meanwhile, and anise liqueur that you could replace with a limoncello or with another liqueur of your choice. And I'll start hand mixing. Now that all the ingredients have combined, I can put the dough on the kneading board. There are several different origins of the name, but the most grounded one says that the name Struffolo comes from the Greek word strongulos, which means round-shaped. I haven't got dough on my hands anymore, which means that the loaf is ready. I can put it in a super clean tea towel and let it rest at room temperature for about half an hour, so the super stressed gluten can have nice rest. I took the dough after resting, and I cut it in 6-7 parts with this tarocco. I could also use a sharp blade. Then I made some bigoli by simply kneading the dough into rolls with my fingertips. I've made them all about 1 cm thick. And now I'll cut them into 1 cm cubes. The smaller, the tastier. Even if they are well known in the whole of Italy, struffoli are especially famous and loved in the south. In fact, with some tiny difference, they are also prepared in Calabria, Abruzzo, Puglia and Sicily. My suggestion: not coat them in flour, because the struffoli will air dry and won't foam during frying. I'll separate them manually and place them on a tray with a super clean tea towel. Oil has reached the ideal temperature, which is 180 degrees, so you can dip the struffoli a few at a time, placing them on a skimmer strainer. I'll stir them often with a strainer to get them evenly brown. It will take 2 or 3 minutes, and then they'll be beautifully brown. It is totally heresy to me, but should you want a lighter version, you could bake the struffoli in the oven at 200 degrees for 13 minutes. Here they are, perfectly golden brown. I place them to dry on cooking paper, and I keep on frying all the others. My struffoli are all fried and dry, so I can now make the coating, and I'll need candied cider and orange, varied sugar sprinkles, candied cherries, and honey that I'll immediately warm. Then I turn the heat to low temperature. And as soon as the honey is melting, I'll dip the struffoli. In go the gold nuggets. I'll stir them properly so that they can absorb all the honey. Okay, here we are. I'll turn the heat off and I'll move to the working table. I'll move to the candied fruit, cider and orange. Some will use them only as a decorative top coat, but I add them also inside. This truthfully are only missing one ingredient that I couldn't possibly ever find in Milan, the cucuzzata, which is the typical Naples candied pumpkin. But next time I'm going to ask my mum to send it over, along with the Naples salami, mozzarella cheese, the ciccoli, the friarelli, the pastiera. Sorry. I'll keep going adding the sprinkles. In the meanwhile, honey has cooled down so it won't make the sprinkles fade. Here they are, ready. Now I'm going to show you how to give the struffoli the typical crown shape. I'll place a glass in the middle of the cake stand, and I put the struffoli all around. Once they've cooled down at room temperature and hardened, I'll be able to remove the glass and obtain the colored garland. In my version, I chose to present the struffoli in a garland, but you could also present them in a pastry called yolk, or serve them on a serving dish as if it was a coloured and yummy volcano. So, in case you didn't notice, I really love struffoli. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.